Hi everyone, this is Beth Boysen from Boysenberry Soaps, and today I'm going to bring you a fail. So this first batch of soap that I made, I was trying to make cupcake bases and it seized badly on me. I tried to anchor my fragrance using kaolin clay, and it is a vanilla bean by Nurture's Garden, and for some reason it just completely turned into this solid mass by the time I was trying to mold it. So it did not work out very well for me. And then about a month later, I tried to remake the batch, and I put more water into my recipe, and this one actually turned out to be too liquid. So whenever I was pouring it out, it was very soft when I went to unmold it, and unfortunately it just turned into this soft bar. And then about a week later, it completely ashed, and the entire bars were turned to ash. But at least they looked a lot better and they didn't have any air bubbles in them. So as you can see right here, this is the second batch that I did, and it hasn't started turning that dark brown color yet, because I just unmolded it in this video. But you can see that they are perfectly smooth, and the batter was nice and liquidy, so I was able to pour it well. But whenever I went to unmold it, it was a little bit soft, and so there were some edges that got like pushed down a little bit and not molded correctly. However, it's a lot better than the giant air bubble that you see in the first batch. But since the second batch ashed so badly, and the first batch had giant air bubbles throughout, I've kind of been just using this soap around the house. It smells really great, and it's a nice vanilla scent, but I don't think it's for me. I will have to try to make cupcake and ice cream cone bases again in the future, but for now, I'm not going to be using them anymore. But anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Tell me about your fail. Tell me what you guys did. See you guys next time. Bye.